This is another video with this pink silk scarf. It's very big and you will see a few more styles for it. If you don't know me yet, my name is Elena. Welcome to my channel, How to Tie a Scarf. And now let's tie our scarf. This is my lovely silk scarf with a parsley print. The base fold for all styles is a large band. Cross the ends behind and bring them forward. Pull the front loop and twist it. Now take one of the ends. If this part is on the top, you pass the end under. Pass it through the loop. Take the second end. This side is underneath, so you pass the end on the top. Pass it through the loop. Tie a knot. Et voila! You have this lovely voluminous braid. It's a very easy knot, but looks so sophisticated. For the second style, cross the ends behind. Bring them forward. Tie a double knot, making the ends look pretty. Now, pull the middle part and make it large. Cover the knot, but leave the ends visible. Et voila! So easy! Or you can hide the ends too. Looks simple and elegant. For the third style, make a knot on the end of your scarf. Pass another end through the loop. This should look like a big tie. By the way, if you like scarves, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button to get notifications. Now, take the ends and pass it through the loop again. If you like my scarf, I will leave a link to it on Etsy. Spread out the ends. You can play a little with the level of the knot and length of the ends to find the shape that works best for you. Et voila! You are ready! The fourth style is the easiest one. Just place your scarf on your shoulders. Tie the ends at the level of your waist or a little lower. Spread out these parts. By the way, I have another video with more styles for this type of scarf, and I will link it at the end and in the description. If the ends are too long, you can hide them into the knot, like this. This style will elongate your torso and make you look slimmer. Et voila! Also, I like to wear it with a jacket. For more scarf ideas, you can watch these videos too. Subscribe, hit the like button and let me know in the comment section below what kind of video tutorial you would like to see. I hope to see you soon. Bye!